All right, Milton, let's get right into it. We talk a lot about precious metals, but there's one question that comes up over and over again for pretty much any investor in this space.
So let's just tackle it head on. When you're looking at your options, how do you make that call? How do we really know when silver and not gold is the smart play?
That really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? And you know, the answer is surprisingly straightforward. There's really one key indicator that helps you cut through all the noise, and that's the gold to silver ratio.
Look, this ratio isn't some kind of complicated Wall Street algorithm. It's actually just a very direct comparison. It answers one simple question. How many ounces of silver does it take to buy one single ounce of gold? That's it. It's a pure snapshot of their value against each other at any moment.
And the math is as easy as it gets. You just take the current price of gold, you divide it by the current price of silver, and boom, you've got the ratio. That one number tells you a really powerful story about which of the two metals might be undervalued.
Okay, so we've got the ratio. That's our tool. But a tool is pretty useless if you don't know how to read it. So when do we actually pull the trigger? What's the number we're looking for here?
Exactly. And if you look back historically, there's a key number to keep an eye on. When that ratio starts to climb up over 80, it's a massive signal. It's basically the market telling us that the historical balance between gold and silver is way out of whack.
That's the perfect way to put it. That's the opportunity right there. When the ratio gets that high, it means silver is incredibly cheap, relative to gold, of course. You should literally think of it like a sale sign. Gold's at full price, but silver just went on a major discount.
And this isn't just a hunch or some kind of theory. History shows us that when the ratio gets stretched this far, it usually snaps back. You see, silver is also an industrial metal, so its price can get pushed down hard when the economy slows. Gold, on the other hand, holds up as that pure store of value. That's the disconnect. And that is exactly when the pros start paying close attention. They see silver as being fundamentally undervalued, and it becomes a classic value play.
That's a really clear, actionable strategy. But here's the thing. Whether you're buying gold or silver, the plan doesn't end when you make the purchase. There is an absolutely crucial final step. You've got to protect what you own.
And yeah, it sounds like total common sense because it is, but you have to say it. Don't tell your neighbors you bought gold. Don't tell your friends. Honestly, the best security you can have for hard assets is just silence.
That's it exactly. That's the first rule of holding hard assets, and it's the perfect thought to end on. A truly smart investment strategy isn't just about what you buy, it's about how you keep it. So yeah, keep your wealth quiet and keep your assets secure.